Today is an exciting day as we have the highly anticipated OnePlus Ace 3, the first OnePlus device of 2024, right here for unboxing. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with the latest tech reviews and unboxings. Now let's get started. As you can see, the packaging is classic OnePlus, sleek, minimalistic, and that signature red logo. Now let's open this up and see what's inside. Alright, here it is, the OnePlus Ace 3. We've got the usual suspects, a warp charge cable, and the impressive 100-watt SuperVOOC charger. OnePlus doesn't mess around when it comes to fast charging. Also, don't forget the documentations. Now, let's turn our attention to the star of the show, the OnePlus Ace 3. The design is sleek, and it's rocking that aluminum frame with a frosted glass back, giving it a premium feel. The circular camera island on the back, reminiscent of the OnePlus 11, is a nice touch. OnePlus has stuck with its design language, and we also have the signature 3-stage alert slider, which is always a handy feature. It's the attention to these little details that OnePlus fans appreciate. Moving on to the display, we have a gorgeous 6.7-inch LTPO AMOLED screen with a resolution of 1240x 2772 pixels. The adaptive refresh rate, ranging from 1 Hz to 120 Hz, ensures a smooth viewing experience. And let's not forget the impressive peak brightness of 4500 nits, perfect for outdoor use. The panel is made by BOE, and it's protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. The punch hole cutout on the top houses a 16 megapixels front-facing camera. It's all about delivering that immersive display experience. Now, let's talk cameras. On the back, we've got a powerful camera setup. A 50 megapixels Sony IMX890 main camera with OIS, an 8 megapixels ultra-wide lens, and a 2 megapixels macro camera. OnePlus has always delivered on camera performance, and I'm eager to test these out in real-world scenarios. The 50 megapixels main shooter, based on the Sony IMX890 sensor, is a significant upgrade, and we can expect some impressive photography from this device. Under the hood, the OnePlus Ace 3 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, paired with up to 16 GB LPDDR5X RAM, and a whopping 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage. This thing is a powerhouse, and I can't wait to see how it handles multitasking and heavy gaming. And on the software side, it's running ColorOS 14, based on Android 14, offering a smooth and customizable user experience. Now, powering all of this is a substantial 5500 mAh battery. But what's even more impressive is the 100 watts SuperVOOC fast charging. OnePlus claims you can go from 0 to 100% in just 27 minutes. Whether you're a power user or just need a quick top-up, this device has got you covered. That's insane. Before we wrap up, let's talk about the aesthetics. The OnePlus Ace 3 comes in 3 stunning colors: black, blue, and rose gold. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the pricing. The base variant with 12 GB RAM and 256 GB storage starts at $365, while the top-of-the-line 16 GB RAM and 1 TB storage version goes up to $493. Sales in China kick off on January 15th. For our global users, the OnePlus Ace 3, also called OnePlus 12R, is expected to arrive in international markets as the OnePlus 12R later this month, mostly on the 23rd of January. Stay tuned for more details during the OnePlus 12 global launch event. That wraps up our unboxing and first impressions of the OnePlus Ace 3. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let me know in the comments what you think about this new OnePlus device. Until next time, signing off. See you in the next one.